This is Xiaomi Redmi 13R, and today I'll show how you can enable and manage the Do Not Disturb feature or Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Sound and Vibration category, and from here open the Do Not Disturb page. Now you can turn it on by switching this toggle on. You can now configure and change those preferences. You can, turn on or turn off the When Device is Locked option. You can select the people and contacts you would like to receive and not receive any calls or SMS messages from, and so on. Just configure everything to your liking. You can add some rules or schedules for your Do Not Disturb mode to be automatically turned on and turned off. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.